Best tea powder. Number 5. Veda का premium tea 1 kg. Approx price 330 rupees. Can be served with or without milk. A fine blend of high quality tea leaves sourced from Assam, Doras and Nilgiris. Ideal for making tea of your choice. Masala tea, ginger tea, Suleimani tea and more. Quantity 1 kg. Number 4. Actavius Kadak Assam CTC Chai. Strong Kadak regular black tea 1 kg. Approx price 231 rupees. Granulated tea sourced from best tea gardens. Packed in hygienic environment. Curated by expert hands. Number 3. Tata Agni Leaf Tea 1 kg. Approx price 300 rupees. Tata Tea Agni with its flawless strength, taste and color makes the perfect cup of tea. It is a cup of tea with 10% extra strong leaves. Prepare with fresh boiling water, milk. Number 2. Nikunj Dhaba Special Tea 1 kg leaf. Approx price 225 rupees. A special blend of leaf and rich strong taste. Flavor that give you a taste just like of dhaba. Every sip filled with rich delight. A rarest tea experience. Number 1. Tata Tea Gold 1 kg. Approx price 525 rupees. For discerning tea drinking consumers. Exquisite tea leaves. Premium quality tea. Perfect cup of chai to delight you and your loved ones at any time of the day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.